Here's Offering Memorandum to Investment Committee Memo in 60 seconds with AcquiOS. Here we go. This is where all of your deals will reside. You can chat with all of your deals, sort by different scoring, and see all the relevant information. I can create a new deal by emailing it into the AcquiOS platform or creating one here. This is the Alexander property, so I'll create that deal. And now I can upload the OM. And now with that upload, it's starting to create it on the back end, and that will populate all of the information here. And now you can see we've got the investment summary of the deal. We also have all the core assumptions here. Maybe I want to make a change to the exit cap rate. I could then rerun that. This will build out the DCF in real time. So you'll have financial models in your company's templates on the back end. So we now see that return summary with the new exit cap rate. I can download the spreadsheet there. I could also see that spreadsheet here in the full format with different assumptions, cash flow, sensitivity analysis. Anything can be done in your templates. And then on that property, we also have a full report. So this report pulls in from a number of data APIs, gives you a full score analysis, sales comps, rental comps,